G'day guys, it's Jordan here from Double R in Tamworth. Today I just wanted to do a quick walk around on the Thomas Arena products. So we are now the official agent for Thomas Arena products here in Tamworth. So these arena rakes are specially designed for horse owners, ranch cutting events, rodeo arenas, all that sort of thing. Even dressage people like to use these to dress their arena real nice. They're made in Australia, up in Queensland. So we've got two models here that we can show you today. This one here is a 1.8 metre heavy duty drag. So it's designed to be pulled by a small tractor, and it's got one set of hydraulic remotes which sets the height when you're dressing your arena. This one here has a front grader blade, is designed to getting any imperfections or any unlevel ground out. So it'll scoop away sand here and move it into an unlevel spot to get your ground level. This can all be adjusted here by this top arm, so it's quite user friendly. Coming to the back of the machine, this is our leveling bar or our cutting bar. This is also fully adjustable by this top link here. So we can adjust that to make sure that this is cutting our sand or our surface level. This rake is sort of our fingering rake, which gives our dresses our arena quite nicely. So these swing down, there's a couple different positions we can put that in. So this is our heavy duty drag. Moving on, this is our smaller drag here. It's a 1.5 metre. Can be towed by various machines like a little motorbike, side by side, or even a ute. So what we can do is here, we set the height of the machine with this arm here. Once it's hooked onto the ATV or your ute, we wind this till the wheels are just off the ground. We've then got our cutter bar here, and this is all adjusted by this arm here. So using this arm, we want these cutting bars nice and level, and that's going to cut our arena surface. There's also parts that you can buy from Thomas Arena products that have rippers instead of a grader blade. So if you've got harder surface, you can actually get rippers instead of a grader blade. Moving back here, this is our finger rake, which will dress the back end of our arena real nice, and this is all adjustable by this arm here too. There's another additional part that you can get from Thomas Arena products. So if you're going around the edge of a tight arena, it bolts on here, so it kicks all the sand out from the side of the arena and pulls it back so you're not wasting anything. If you've got any more interest, guys, come down to Double R in Tamworth and we'll show you how they work.